Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to fry Moong Greens. This Moong Greens takes only 5 days to grow and is very high in nutrients. This is a very unique side dish for chapatis, rottis or even for steamed rice. Very quick and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken a bunch of fresh Moong Greens. Chop off the roots and you can discard them. Now let me go clean wash it. It's now ready. You can roughly chop the greens and keep it ready. Heat a pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add few mustard seeds. Split Urad Dhal. Two dried red chillies. Few curry leaves. And 1 onion finely chopped. Saute well for 2 minutes until the onion turns transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add the chopped Moong greens. Mix it well in medium flame. Now after 1 minute the Moong greens have started to shrink, so go ahead and add quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix well for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now after 2 minutes the greens are well done, so go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix it well. Now a delicious Moong green fry is ready, so off the flame. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this Moong green fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.